The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone with impressive features that was launched on April 11. It comes in two variants, both with up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. The base variant starts at 19,999 rupees, while the second model with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM plus 256GB UFS 2.2 storage is priced at 21,999 rupees. During the sale of the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G smartphone, there are bank discount offers available on both variants, which is good news for potential buyers. There are two color options to choose from, namely pastel lime and chromatic. The smartphone features a 6.72-inch LCD with a 120Hz screen refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, and 256GB UFS 2.2 storage. It also has 8GB virtual RAM support. The primary camera is 108 megapixel, while the front camera is 16 megapixel. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G boasts an impressive battery life, thanks to its 5000 mAh battery with support for 67W Superbook charging. Additionally, the smartphone comes with an 80W charger. You can purchase this device on the OnePlus online store and Amazon. Overall, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is a great option for those seeking an affordable 5G smartphone with impressive features. Its launch represents a move towards greater accessibility of 5G technology. Don't wait any longer, get your hands on this device today.